Hello YouTube, this is your host from Tech Computers, Charlie. Today, as you see here, we have an SO setup here, a water-cooled 3rd Gen i7 3770K, 4 gig sticks of HyperX 1600 MHz DDR3 RAM. That's the water cooler for the i7, and 2 video cards you see here is 2 HD ATI 80 Radeon 5450 1 gig cards. I had an idea if it was possible to Crossfire them, but unfortunately that is not an option. So let's see how I get this whole thing running. When I try to open up Formark to run a benchmark, it came to roughly 3 to 5 frames per second on full HD, and well, yeah, that didn't go too well. So I noticed when I put Specky and Tech Power Up GPU Z, Crossfire were disabled. I know this says that they can't be Crossfire online and whatnot, but I figured what the hell, I'll try anyways. So, and correction, my mistake is actually a i7 2600K. My apologies. But yeah, other than that, I mean, for everything else, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, everything else runs great, but unfortunately, crossfiring to low pro video cards does not work, does not happen. At least, well, for now, for the MSI HD 5450s, it doesn't work. And my next video, I'll be doing a different GPU that I got from a friend, and that'll be my next upcoming video. Thanks for turning this short little video. I know there's not much to really show for benchmark results for this little setup, because honestly speaking, it's not worth selling because it sucks that bad. I mean, yes, you can run emulators on here up to, I do believe, PlayStation 1, but having a second GPU is just pointless. So I do appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.